Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at the Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the Tech Travel Geeks guide on how to turn data roaming on or off on your Doogee X95. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, hopefully we'll all get back to travelling soon, and if you have a Doogee X95, the device we previously unboxed and did some other videos about here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, you'll also want to know how to switch your data roaming on and off. Now, usually data roaming can be very expensive when you travel to another country, or in the same country you're in, you go into a zone where there's only coverage of a competing network. So in the settings drop down, so pull the drop down again, press the settings button, we'll have the usual settings menu. And you can see that there's a network and internet option. And then under mobile network, I'm currently connected to 3. We have mobile data on, but there's also roaming off. So at the moment, roaming is off. In this case, I'm going to allow data roaming, and that's how to switch data roaming on. Now, if you have data roaming on, and you want to switch it off, all you do is the same thing, pull down for the notifications bar, select the settings button, in network and internet, go to mobile network, and switch the same toggle off. There we go. So it's really simple to switch data roaming on and off on your Doogee X95. This is the Doogee X95 running Android 10, which is very similar to the Google experience. Whilst it's not the pure Android 10 experience from Google, such as the one we see in the Android's One program, it's very close. So that was a quick walkthrough of how to do that. So if you haven't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube and check out the other videos we've done about the Doogee X95 on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. For now, thanks for watching and goodbye.